Hi YouTube, this is Shababs. In this video, we're gonna have a small demonstration of how to use this. First thing, make sure you wash this. I'm gonna wash this because it's new. Now I'm gonna add the mix. Now I'm gonna add 1 or 2 spoonfuls of oil. So we place it in. The temperature, we're gonna put it to 410. Time, 25 minutes. And we wait. So it's recommendable that you come back after a few minutes. For example, after half the time you placed, and we started with 25 minutes. At 10 minutes, we're gonna come back and we're gonna turn over what we're cooking. Hope this video has been helpful and has given you enough information on the Brentwood electric air fryer model AF-300BL. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell button so you get notified when we upload new videos. Ciao.